The more simplification question. So we have 2d minus d minus d minus d. So my funda is I always write 1 so as to not get confused. Now we clearly have to use board mass, start doing operations from left to right. And so this will end up with minus 1d, sorry, plus 1d minus 1d minus 1d. This is after this getting simplified. And this 2 will cancel each other. And so the final answer is minus 1d. Next, we have 2d minus d minus d minus c. So we'll just write 1. So here too, we will use board mass. So first, operate on the subtraction that we have over here. So we have 1d minus 1d minus 1c. These two are same variable and same numbers, but actually not same number, opposite numbers. The additive inverse. So I can cancel them. And finally, we have minus 1c as the answer. So good. We have 2 more questions. Good practice. Good practice. Minus of d minus c. Okay. Try doing this. So we have 2d minus d. Minus of anything would result in the additive inverse of whatever the variables are. D's additive inverse is minus d. Minus c's additive inverse is plus c. Then again using board mass. So we have d minus 1d minus 1c plus, sorry, minus 1d plus 1c. So this is 1d minus 1d plus 1c. So these are same variables, but additive inverse are the numbers, right? And so this will end up with 1c. So you can see that small variation of things. It's the same variables, you know, a bit of variation here and there, and you have a different answer altogether. Using the brackets at different place, you will end up with different answers. So that variation is what is, what's the point? That's the point of this set of questions. Minus of d minus d. So you have to take the, I can use board mass over here. D and minus d are equal and opposite in some sense. So they are 1 and minus 1. So we can cancel each other and they'll end up with minus 0. So 0 or minus 0 or plus 0 doesn't matter. So basically, let me actually write them. Basically, you'll end up with this as the answer. So this is as per board mass. I simplified your brackets first. And finally, we have one last question. So 2d minus d, I'm going to write it as minus 1d minus 1c minus 1c. So this two are like terms, this two are like terms. And so we have 1d minus 2c, and that's our answer.